Alright, so I had this thought. What if I'm out there at the pallet deck and I have something I need to carry out there and I don't want to make multiple trips? Ricky, what would you do in that situation? Would you put everything in a grocery bag? Or would you want to have something very purposeful to hold and to have to get the job done? Oh my gosh, I came up with the perfect idea. And make sure you stay around to the end because I leave some tips on what I've experienced and what I learned during this build. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses Pallet Idea Edition. Yes, and I am so excited to be back for another video. So excited that we actually have a little bit of sunshine now. I looked on the forecast and it says we have about 4 hours of sunshine. So I'm gonna give it everything I have. Hopefully it doesn't take that long in the real world to get this project done. But more than less, it should be fruitful once it's finished. And, you know, just for the sake of fun, I'll let you know how long it takes for me to get this project finished. Okay, I already got a start time. Maybe I should set a timer. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, so we'll go. All right, so I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. And now as you saw in the thumbnail, what this video is all about, I am so excited to add yet another addition to the pallet deck, okay? Because we're going to be out there serving. We're going to be serving food. We're going to be serving drinks. We're going to be having food to go out. We're going to be having seasonings and things from my grill. You know, you see my lovely grill in the background. I don't know if you can see it. Wait, where is it? Where is it? Oh, nope, not that way. Okay, wait. Oh, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. I did an unboxing for that grill in another video, which okay, you saw the card. But nonetheless, we're going to be having so much going on with the pallet deck that I was thinking, like, maybe I should do a serving tray. I should do that because it is necessary for the functionality of my pallet deck and everything on it. And I was like, yes, I can do that. I showed it to my wife. She was like, oh, that'd be a great idea. And that's all, ladies and gentlemen, I needed, okay? All the motivation I needed, her agreement, gave me activation to do what I'm doing today. All right, so enough with all the chitty chatty, talky talk, and da-da-da-da-da, and let's go ahead and get to the fun. I'm gonna go pick out a pallet that will be conducive for such a project as this, and I will show you all the process that I take to do such a thing, okay? Let's go to the back, and while I'm going to the back, go ahead and subscribe. Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so as you can see in the background, I have quite a few options, and excuse the noise, AC unit, okay, it does what it does, which is providing AC for my family, so I'm gonna leave that on. But anyway, as you can see, I have many pallets to choose from, which, you know, as I see pallets, I go. As I see pallets, I grab. And the main idea when picking and selecting the pallet for this project is that you want it to be a light one. You know, just give it a little test. Give it a one-arm test. Can you lift it up with one arm? You know, that's the idea, because you don't want the tray to be heavy even before you put items on the tray. All right, keep that in mind. So let me move that one like so. Okay, wait, no, don't move, baby. Stay where you've been put. Okay, let me try this one out. Let's see, one arm test. Okay, not shabby at all. Let's go ahead and man down, man down. 1042. Okay, let's try another one. Let's see. Oh, I think we have a winner, ladies and gentlemen. Ding, ding, dong, okay? And perfect. It has all the different grooves and looks and things that I want, which it actually looks like the one I was just trying. So let me retest what I denied. Oh snap, I think I have other boards from this pallet that I used. Ladies and gentlemen, let me show you what I see that gives me the smile that I have. All right, so I use the rest. So as you can see, this pallet is pretty bare, but I use this pallet on another one of my projects, and y'all know how my saying goes, don't throw away your scrap wood, because at a time like this, it'll help you get the job done much faster and help me stay within my 4-hour time frame. So I'm gonna go ahead and capture this flag because it will be the source for my pallet trays. Now I need to find the boards to go along with it. So yeah, let me go look for that. Alright, so I have grabbed the wood necessary to complete the project. Well, at least I think I have, because while I was scrounging and looking and grabbing and digging for wood, I was thinking to myself, like, how much wood do I actually need? Which would really be determined by the size in which the trays will be. And so I grabbed like a charger that we had in the house, and I was like, I want it to be a little bit bigger than this, but nearly as wide. This is a square, to be honest, in the center, but I would have it to be a little bit longer, so more like a rectangle. So I will just, you know, eyeball and decide a size and just cut everything to that size. That will make everything happy for me. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and break these pallets apart all the way so I will have the size that I need to get the project done, and also the wood necessary. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut everything. I will make sure everything is to the size that I want, and then we will start the assembly. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on, wait a minute. I almost forgot, ladies and gentlemen. Let me go ahead and drop this commercial for the new merch attached to Pallet shirts. Okay, attached to pallets, because that is what I am. Clearly, I do pallet videos every week. If you have made it, I'm gonna say this far, because if you made this far, you're obviously interested. And if you're interested, you're attached to pallets. Hey, go click the link below and you will see the link to all of the different merch and shirts that you see here. Okay, I have short sleeve, I have long sleeve, I have your color, I got my color, I got purple, black, yellow, red. I don't know. The color's there. You pick the color, you have it, you wear it, and you represent when you doing your pallet creations, your DIY projects and things in the front yard and in the backyard. Okay, and as you wear it, you are uniting yourself with other pallet builders all around this world. Okay, y'all see the flags, y'all see the reach. Okay, we in Canada, we in Britain, we in the United States, we in the Bahamas, we all the way in Australia, ladies and gentlemen. And with your shirt, you could be represented too. So go ahead and look there, and we gonna have some fun. All right. Wait, I'm supposed to be cutting. Okay, yeah, I got caught up in a commercial, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut, and we're gonna have a little bit more fun. Yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so now that part is done, which I am glad to be able to talk to you again from my face to your ears, or to your face, yada yada. Anyway, speed by break, okay. But anyway, now I'm gonna go ahead and do some sanding. I need to sand these areas where the handles will go to create the whole, you know, holding tray display situation that I want. So again, thank you, wifey, and the kids for the Father's Day gift of my handy dandy sander. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that bad boy to get the job done, okay? All right, so I'm gonna sand, apply the handle, and then, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be done. I'm gonna do that for 2 of these bad boys. I've already done the last one, so, you know, we'll be done. Finito. And this one I did a little different too. I didn't do like the bottom rail, which I'm seeing that they really aren't necessary. They just add unneeded weight. So my recommendation is to not add the 3 rails at the bottom. I think it is pretty sufficient just to have the nails on either side of the handle, not in the middle. It's not that wide, so you know, he shouldn't need that much support. But anyway, learn from what I did and grow from what I'm showing you. In that order. And if you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe, hit that red button and turn it into a gray button, because obviously there's so much we can learn and grow and do together. So why not join the family and do it with us? All right, so let me sand, put the handles on, and you will see the completed project for dos, and then we will convene. Gentlemen, just like that, we have 3 trays to go outside, made by Pallets. Again, there are so many ways that you can use your pallets. Okay, so now I have ways to serve people when they're out in the pallet deck. And as you saw, I did some sanding and things like that. So, you know, it changes the color. I will decide if I want to leave it this color or paint it in coordination with the pallet deck stuff on the outside, you know, in the backyard. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. And of course, as you all know, I will take it into consideration, which will help us sway us, guide us in the best direction. Okay, speaking of direction, make sure you head to go and get this merch, new merch attached to Pallet shirts. Let the world know what you are attached to, what you have fun with. And as you see other people with the shirts on, it'll be like, oh, you too? You too? You like pallets? You build with pallets? You do pallet work? And then you can have so many conversations. Like, you'll be so surprised how many conversations you can have based off of a pallet and an idea. Like, people are doing things, you know? It's all about DIY right now. So, hey, have fun. Try it out. Let me know if you try it out, what and how it turns out like. Again, in doing it and doing like 3 now, what I recommend and things that you can do is don't worry about this bottom 3 situation. You don't need it. It's extra. It adds weight. And then you have to find the wood itself. It's not pallet wood, so I had to use it. It was like scrap wood that I had or that was around, so I was able to get it and use it. However, I don't think it is necessary. I was able to do what was necessary, which is, of course, make a tray without using it. And then, like, there's this one that I had split at the end, like, whatever. I'm going to just use glue. I'm not going to waste the board. I'm going to use the board, and I'll just do it with glue. But anyway, this is the one without it. So much lighter. It's funny how much lighter it is as opposed to this one that has the 3 brackets and so forth and so on. So obviously this will be the one that I will carry, as well as probably this one. Crystal probably would not carry this one. It already has weight without any substance on it. Lastly, the other tip that I would give is when you're doing the side panels, you only need 1 screw. I use 2. I start thinking about it like, why do I have 2 screws? Like, much things are not gonna like hit the sides of it. And the main thing is making sure that it has a firm foundation. So use 1 screw, 1 screw on each one at the bottom, and then just have fun. Like, save your screws for future projects, okay? If you have as many pallets as I do, you'll never run out of opportunities to do and have projects. So, with that being said, I love you, beautiful people, and I thank you so much for watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. If you made it this far, you might as well join the fam and see what else and what other opportunities you can get a knowledge of what you can do. Little DIY projects using pallets and wood and fun and time, okay? Put all those together, and you'll come up with a masterpiece. This one, wooden trays, okay? All made by Pallets. And with that being said, I have nothing else to say. So what I will say before you do go is I love you. I thank you. I appreciate you. I'll see you next time, because there will be a next time. Matter of fact, I'll see you tomorrow for another pallet creation. Yeah!